Hey guys, it's Martina and I'm here with two shoes that I recently got. These shoes are two shoes that I've actually really wanted. I didn't necessarily maybe want this exact color for one, but now that I have it, I love it. I think it's great and I'll just get right into it. So these are the infamous Amina Muaddi shoes. Her shoes, as you know, are super hot right now. They're super popular. Excuse all of that noise out there. I don't know why it wants to be Hurricane Katrina outside, but we're gonna deal with it. Anyways, back to the shoes. So these shoes are shoes that I've actually really wanted for a long time. As soon as I saw them, I was just like, oh my gosh, I need these. These are gonna be such a great addition to my wardrobe, and I'll be able to wear it and style it in so many different ways. And as you know, if you know about these shoes, they're sold out like this. Like, they're gone yesterday, right? So these are super hard to find. You rarely find in your exact size, which kind of was the case with me. But these fit me good, they work out, and they're very comfy shoes. So let's get right into it. Why is somebody calling me? Who's calling me? Hey, I'm in the middle of a video. Let me call you back. Okay. So yeah, guys. First pair are these beautiful ones right here. It comes with a pink dust bag with like gold writing on it. And the first pair are these beauties right here. Like the heel height is perfect. They're very cute. They're super comfortable. I love the sparkly holographic vibe that it has, where it's kind of like shiny. It's definitely not matte, and it's like a rainbow cotton candy mashup. It's crazy. But I love this shoe. I definitely think it can be styled with so many things. I would actually wear it with like colors like this top that I have on right now. If you watched my last fall lookbook, which you should have, so if you didn't, pause the video, click below. You're gonna see the link. Go check it out. But I styled these with like a cream outfit and it was so cute. I love these shoes. There's definitely so many different color combos that you can do it with. I also think they would be really cute with like a color like this in like an army pant that kind of sticks to your ankle. I feel like that kind of vibe, like a cargo pant kind of vibe, would be really cute with these, and I can't wait to style them and wear them. I love these shoes. I got them in September. I haven't worn them yet. They're brand new. Cute. Hey girl. So yeah, as I said, the heel height is just like that perfect height. It's like not short where it's like grandma-ish, but it's not too high where you can't like wear it for hours. Like I will wear it around the house if I'm considering wearing them out, and I love them. I just think that it's really cool. It has this elastic at the back, so it will like hold your foot in securely, but still at the same time, like, you know, you won't slip out. And I got these in a 37. To be honest with you, I really wanted a 37 and a half. But I literally went through it to get these shoes. This store said that they had. Turns out they couldn't get the shoe because their other store that actually had the size, the sales reps there were being stingy and nobody wanted to give me the shoe. So I didn't get the shoe, and then the next day I just decided to go to the store. I got these at Intermix, by the way. So I went into the store and I saw the sales rep. They literally had, this was the last pair that they had there. It was on display. It was a 37. The guy told me like a girl came in earlier and tried it, but it didn't fit her foot. And I'm a true 7.5, so that's 37.5. And I got these in 37. Honestly, they fit me exact. Like, my heel is perfectly on the back. It's not hanging over. It's not too short. But for me personally, I love my heels with a little bit of space in the back, just because I don't like that I borrowed somebody's shoe or it don't fit you look. That's not for me. But this one, like, it fits me perfectly. I would have just preferred maybe a half size up just for that little safe space at the back. but nevertheless, these still are dope shoes. I love them. They're so beautiful, and I can't wait to style them up and wear them, and you guys will see this soon. So this is the first pair. Like I said, honestly, for me, if you like that little space in the back, I would go up half a size. This is already half a size smaller than my actual size, but it's what I could get, and it fits me good, so I'm keeping them. So that's the first pair, and these were literally just a lucky find. Like, if you want to find these shoes, I would say follow Amina herself. I guess follow her shoe page too, but honestly, herself, she's one of my style icons right now. I love her vibe, like I love her style. I love her little mashups that she does. Rihanna has styled so many of her shoes in like different ways, and she looks so great in them all the time. So big up Rihanna's stylist, he's amazing. But yes, the next pair is another pair of Amina's. This one I got from a store called Moda Operandi. I hope you guys can see the box. Really cute packaging. It came in this beautiful huge pink box, and I'm definitely keeping this box to like put for decoration. Like, my whole house theme is kind of like black, white, gold, and then I have like splashes of pink. So I'm gonna figure out some way to kind of incorporate this in with the place, because I really love this box. It's really cute. So yeah, as I said, it's from Moda. They're like a European site, but they're like a very popular retailer, and I've known of them forever. But as I said, with these shoes, you kind of just have to get them wherever you can find them. So I was kind of doing my research online looking for this style of shoe, and I realized Moda had it. And actually, I ordered these shoes back in maybe like the end of August. I feel like sometime in August I had ordered these shoes, like the ending of August, and then literally I just got them earlier this week. So I already opened them, but this is like that unofficial unboxing. But yeah, I love these shoes so much. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. I love them, and they fit really good. And it's the same white box packaging with Amina, same pink dust bag like before. But these shoes right here are so cute. These are so cute. As I said, it's this same, I think they're like, yeah, it's that same heel height, and they're like the perfect mule, easy to walk in. I really feel like, I haven't worn them yet. When I take them out, I'll definitely let you know like how long I can wear them comfortably. But when I wear them around the house, like, it feels like you have on flats. Like, it feels really good. I love the fact that they literally are like this sparkly, like a really bright sparkly orange. I hope like you're getting this color payoff on the camera, but it's so nice. And literally, I love the fact that it's like that sparkly. It has a little texture to it, but it literally will not, you know, like, have you ever had those sparkly heels where they literally will rub on your hand? Like, this isn't it. Like, it doesn't, nothing comes off. It's really nice. I love that nice pointed toe, and then the like, it's not beading, but like the rhinestones that are around it. It's really nice. And then this is pretty, it has like an elastic here, so it can stretch to fit your foot, so you don't have to worry about like if you have a wider, as you come up the silhouette of your foot, if it's a little bit wide, I think it will still fit you. And I just love how they fit. I love the look. These are beautiful shoes. I love them. As I said, like, honestly, tips with her shoes, I would follow her herself. Anytime any of the retailers that sell her shoes get something, she always puts like, oh, they just dropped. And I feel like that's kind of like when you have to jump on it, you have to immediately go and see, because literally pre-order sell out. When I had checked this site, maybe like 2 days later, like all of the sizes were gone. It was sold out, and I had like got it at that lucky chance. And like I said, it was a pre-order, so I waited like a month and a half to get them, and then they eventually came, and I love them so much. I can't wait to style them like with both shoes, because I love the fact that they're like colorful or bright. I love to do like a neutral look, something maybe even like a white, or even like an all khaki or something. Well, for these, but for this, I definitely feel like something all white, or even like, I would love to do them with denim, like a denim skirt, or even like a mom kind of boyfriend jean look with these, would be really cute, and even like nice dresses. I can't wait to style this and just kind of see how they come out. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, closetcodeco or Magic Tina Weena, I always post my looks and outfits, so you should definitely follow me, because most likely I will wear them soon and style them, and you'll get to see firsthand how they are. But definitely I would say in terms of sizing for this one, now I got 37.5 for this shoe, and honestly I actually tried this on. When I went in store to get these, they had a pair of these but not this exact one. They had like a few seasons back, they had like a silver version, and it didn't have this heel, it had just the regular pointed heel. So I got to try them on before, and the ones that they had in the store were at 38, and honestly those fit perfect. They were actually how I love when a mule fits. These fit because I am a 37.5, but I definitely feel like, me being me, I would have gotten maybe the 8, just because I feel like it would have had that little extra space that I like with a shoe. But these still fit perfect. My foot doesn't hang off the back, my foot fits right in line, but I just love to have like that little extra space. Some people like it to fit exact. If you like it to fit exactly to your foot, then get your exact size. I feel like these are true to size. But if you're like me and you like that little extra space, I would say maybe go a half size up. And the same thing for these. I feel like the shoes are pretty true to size, but it just depends on you. Like, you know, like I love to have that little space, some people don't, so it's really a preference. But I really love these. As I said, they're comfy, they're really cute. The colors and the styles are amazing. The ones I have her signature heel, and this is just kind of the beginning of my collection. But as I said, I love Amina shoes. There's this really cute clear one that came out like a few seasons ago, and she claims they're gonna be restocked next year in her next drop. So I am my eyes are peeled for this one, because I really love those clear heels. But other than that, I just love these shoes. I think they're great shoes. They're really cute, and I just wanted to make a video just kind of, you know, for a point of reference. When I was looking up these shoes, I searched YouTube, I searched everywhere, and other than like finding a few people with it on Instagram, I never saw anybody kind of break down how the shoes fit, how they actually look, how they feel. And I love these kind of videos, so I wanted to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.